Hi guys! So for today's video, ngano man akong face. I don't like it. So guys, we are celebrating Father's Day. So this is our first ever Father's Day. So it's a very special day for us. So this is Theodore. So it's my first time also using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So we decided to do a family vlog. So, para mapuslan ni. Nagpalit man ko, ani. So, para pang vlog. Di ba, Tay?
It's already Father's Day celebration.
Yeah. So, we're going to SM.
Can I hold the camera?
No, you can't hold because this is so fragile and wala pa siya na-impas here. So, we are going to SM. Asa mag-eat sa SM? Somewhere down the road.
Someone there down the road.
And then, after eating, magpalit na lang po mi og school supplies for Theodore. Kay next Monday na ang ilahang school. So, we don't have all the time in the world since we are so busy. So, yeah, we are going now. It's so nice. Kaya pwede siya mabali-bali dito. So, say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
We are going. So, see you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. In the well, crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug. Give a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big bagoon. See daddy, bow daddy.
Naman na. So before day may moadtog SM mga zay, mag-visit sa mi sa amuang restaurant nga soon to open. So we are going to do a update with unsa nay lang na human. So let's go. Naog ta data. We're going out. So init. So we're here to check. Basi nag-off sila. Ay, sorry. So, this is... So, walay trabahante for today. I think nag-off sila. Ay, Father's Day. Magod karon lang. So, this is the update now of our restaurant. So, this will be the kitchen. Kani iyang ginaatuan. Ah, okay. So, it's out and about. So, this is the kitchen area. Because yang gusto gyud sa husband is big kitchen area for syempre this is a restaurant, so we need bigger space to prepare the food para you know. And this is the office area, so it's not yet finished. And this is our CR here. Wala pa gyapon siya na finish. Yeah, that's the update for now. I think I'm gonna be a good vlogger. Because I'm an English person. So, yeah. I don't know. Anong kasunod-sunod ni man yung camera for sa ako, Kubalo? Anong sunod di siya? Yeah, hopefully, mga zay, makavisit mo here sa mong restaurant if mag-open na mi. So, as soon as possible, we are hoping na before ko mga anak, ma-open na siya dear. Okay, yeah. It will take time for me to recover from giving birth. So, among target yun is before ko mga anak maka-open na mi. So, this is the update. So happy. And we are going now to the SM. Ba't na ta? Dili ko kabalo mga zay. Kung nice bang quality sa akong camera or no. Pero, we'll see pag ma-edit na nako niya mong vlog. This is our first vlog. So, we are doing a family vlog. So soon na nami little kid, baby na pod. Very soon from muna na ko'y maingon. But okay, anyway, nga ni day feeling mag-vlog. I miss vlogging. Actually mga say before ko nahibog content creator, vlogger ko dear, no? Muna ako ang ginabuhat gyud. Siko vlog nga way pulos. So I'm back. Para ma-ROI na ko niya akong gipalit nga camera, ma-justify na ko ang gastuan ni kay Kasabal ko sa kumbana, dear. So, gati-kapit ko kong palitan. We're here now at the SM. Dili lang ko gana na nga camera kay gusto mo good ko baliktad akong face. But no, it's not. So, we are here now. Theodore. Bawal mag-vlog daw diri sa mall mga zay. So, di na mi mag-vlog eh. Basi makasaba na sad bi again.
Ito na sa ano? Kanan.
Asa mo ta mga on? Bawal mag-video diri. So, see you later, alligator. So mga zay, we are here at Boy Sugba. Diri mi mag-dinner. Diri mi mag-lunch.
Hi daw. Say hi. Awalan pa yung oh, tanawa. Iwat ka, mami.
Ano yung ganan nga lighting kay Dita Mahagard. So, 15 to 20 minutes serving time na. Mag-wait lang may. Bye!
This one. Buko, watermelon, or green mango, or mango. Apple juice or milk? Iced tea? Ano yung iced tea ka na?
Kung sa to yung mga gisay,
This is the kids swimming pool. After ma-open ni mo na walls and pwede ni mo open ni para ma-lakot siya.
okay. So, our food is here. So, we ordered the squid, Teo's favorite, scallops for me, and then liampo for daddy. Mana naka-drawing?
Let's eat na, let's eat.
So, we are going to eat now. Thank you for the food. This is sweet.
Saan naman na?
Happy Father's Day to all fathers. Teo, say Happy Father's Day to daddy.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
I love you. Hidaga na si Teo mga zay. Asa man siya? Kay excited na siya magpalit sa iyang school
Ayaw
supply.
lagi.
Mula nag-agir-ir. So, magpalit na may school supplies. And kalubaton ako. Kalubaton na ako ang camera.
Up, no
Dahil na
sitting.
eating. Ayun, nakidakura kayo na. Dili na pang grade 1. So, magbay na lang po ng school supplies today. Update rata mo kay bawal mag-camera. Bye! So, mga zay, mananami sa among bowling and mikapoy na kay Migmayo. Ang high blood na and everything. Kasi Chodor, dili ka paminaw. Masa mo ka, di ka makita lagi. Tara. You show, Teo. You show. Show your face. There. So, nakapahit na may bag and school supplies. Grabe ka mahal ang bag, dear. Tag 3,000. Sama na nga bag, gold. So, pauli namin mag-relax. So, happy Father's Day to everyone. That's it for our vlog for today. Kaya wala naman po may makita. Ulan na lang. Pakitunta mo sa ulan. So, we're going home. It's raining, man. So, yeah. That's it. That's it for our first vlog. Bye, everyone! Bye, Nate!
See you later, alligator.
Bye! Please like and subscribe.
Please, please, please.
Over. Bye!